Hello learners, this video is about the use of Popplet. So Popplet is basically used for making the mind map. So we'll type the website popplet.com. Try to open this website in Chrome. After typing the name of the website, press enter. You will get this website like this. So this is something like in this picture you can see how a Popplet looks like. So it is that about one particular idea or any topic, you just express yourself writing in different boxes the facts about that particular idea. Now we'll click on try it out. Now you might get this kind of an option, so you have to just click on get Adobe Flash Player and just allow this. Sorry for that problem that came. You will come to this screen. This is just a small introduction to Popplet. So if you want, you can go through the slides by clicking on next, or else you can just close it. Now you can see that there's a message on the screen, double click to make a Popple. So we'll just double click. It will add a Popple here. Popple is this one box. So when you complete the whole mind map, it becomes a Popplet. You can just extend it like this to make the boxes on the other side of the main idea. Now say the main idea that I'm going to make it about is transport. You can just separate out the boxes by dragging them. I will just write here transport. Then I can write different names of different transports here, like bus. I can write here car. I can write here scooter. I can write here aeroplane. If I want to add more nodes, the boxes, so I just click here and extend it like that, so it adds another box here. So I can just write here helicopter. Then I can just click here and add another node here where I can write any other transport, say cycle. So like that. Now there are some changes that you can make to your mind map, like you can change the color of the boxes by clicking on a box and clicking on this icon to change the color of the box like this. So that's an example on how to change the color of the boxes. You can even draw a particular transport, like if I just want to draw a car, so I can just click here, click on this pen and just scribble over here, like I want to make a car, so I can just do it like that. So yeah, so like that you can, if you want to draw a picture in your Popplet, so that is also possible, so it can be done. And you can also, if you just click on this, you can add a picture, like if I want to add a picture of bus, so I'll just quickly take a picture from Google, say this bus, so I'll just save it on the desktop. Now I'll go back to my Popplet window. I want to add a picture here. So click on this computer to take it from the computer because I saved it on the desktop. So I will click on I think the picture is not got saved, but let us just save that again, or let us take any other picture. So I'll just save it on the desktop. Now I'll just add that picture here, bus, and open, so it is going to add the picture here. So that is how you can also make a Popplet with the pictures. It's not necessary just to type it and do it, so you can just do that also. Also, if you see, like, this is the main idea of the Popplet, so I can just make the size bigger in size to show that it is the main idea. You have these corner arrows to expand a box to make it bigger, and you can also drag them away to make the Popplet nicely. You can also look at this zoom in and zoom out, so you can just zoom out of your Popplet to show everything at the same time. Like, everything was not visible, it was just hiding away, so I've just pulled it like that. So the Popplet is ready. So that is how you all have to make a Popplet.